Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the cluster databases. Cluster is a series of widely used computer programs used in the bioinformatics for the multiple sequence alignment. There have been many versions of the cluster over the development of the algorithm that are listed. The analysis of the each tool and the algorithm are also detailed in their respective categories. Available operating system listed in the sidebar as a combination of the software availability and may not be supported for the every current version of the cluster tool. So mainly and widely cluster omega has been used. There is some kind of cluster databases with the cluster. The original databases of the multiple sequence alignment original or deriving from the phylogenetic trees from the pairwise sequence of the amino acid and the nucleotides. Cluster Cluster 4, the second generation of the cluster software, was released in 1992 and was a rewrite to the original cluster package. It introduced the phylogenetic tree reconstruction on the final alignment, the availability of the create alignment from the existing alignment, and it can be create trees from the alignment using the method called as neighbor joining. Cluster W, the third generation released in 1994, greatly improved upon the previous version. It's improved upon the progressive alignment algorithm in various ways, including allowing individual sequence to the weighted down on the up accordingly to similarity or the digits respectively in the partial alignment. It is also include the ability to run the program in a batch of the mode of the command line. Cluster 9, this version is released in the 1997, were the first have graphically used interference. Cluster omega, the cluster this is a standard version. This version is widely used. Cluster 12, the update version of the both cluster W and the cluster 9 will be highly accuracy in the efficiency. All variation of the cluster software align sequence using the heuristic that progressively build a multiple sequence alignment from the series of the pairwise alignment. The method works by the analyzing the sequence as a whole, the utilizing in the UPGMA neighbor joining method to the and the generate distant matrix. A guide tree, which is also called a phylogenetic tree, calculated from the score the sequences in the matrix. Then subsequently use the build the multiple sequence alignment by the progressively aligning the sequence in order to similarity. Essentially, cluster create multiple sequence alignment. And there is some steps, which is do the progressive alignment using progressive alignment method, create a guide tree with the user defined tree, and use the guide tree to carry out the multiple sequence alignment. These steps are carried the automatically when you do complete alignment. Otherwise, the option are the do not alignment from the guide tree and the phylogeny and produce guide tree only. So this is about the cluster. I hope you are satisfied. Thank you.